Hands-on with new features coming soon to the iPhone, but where's the AI?
Rich Shamiro explains in today's Rich on Tech.
Apple has released iOS 18 as a public beta. This means anyone can install it on their iPhone and check out new features coming soon. But before you install it, here's a fair warning. There could be issues because it's not completely finished yet. And once you install it, it's not easy to go back to your old software without erasing your phone and starting over. With that said, I installed it on a test device to check out the new features. Now, if I had to describe iOS 18 in one word, it would be customizable, starting with the home screen. Not only can you place icons anywhere you want, you can also make them larger, go with a dark aesthetic, or tint them with a color of your choice. On the lock screen, you can now choose your shortcuts instead of just flashlight and camera. Control Center now has multiple pages. It's also easier to customize, and you can include controls from third-party apps, not just Apple functions. Speaking of apps, in iOS 18, you can now lock down an app so it requires Face ID or your passcode to open it. And you can now hide apps completely in a new hidden folder. A new Passwords app organizes your logins both for websites and Wi-Fi. One of the biggest changes, messaging between iPhone and an Android finally gets an upgrade. You can see when the other person is typing and exchange high-quality photos and videos. You can also respond to a message with any emoji and even schedule a message to send later. iPhone 14 and up can send messages over satellite when you don't have cellular or Wi-Fi. There are lots of other changes, like a virtual power button to easily turn off your phone, and you can dial a number by typing a name. One big feature that's missing, AI. It doesn't arrive until the fall, and even when it does, it will be in beta. Now, as much fun as all of this looks, I don't recommend installing this public beta on your primary phone. The final software will be available in the fall, usually towards the end of September. I'm Rich DeMuro. That's Rich on Tech.